Well, I started out as a zoologist and a behavioural ecologist, and my PhD supervisor said, well, why don't you think about doing something about climate change? That's going to be a big issue. And that was more than 20 years ago, and I started looking into it. I got an ARC fellowship, and I've been in climate change ever since. As a gradual process, I started to become involved in much broader activity, and I really started to become more and more convinced that there was a real role to play translating research and encouraging researchers to think about how their research was going to be used.
Lesley has earned my enduring admiration and respect, explaining climate change to the people in a very dynamic scientific and political environment.
Mentoring students is a particular passion of mine, especially when I was co-convening the NCAF network. We supported Masters and Honours students with research funding, and we supported PhD students with travel funding, and I was involved in assessing the projects and delivering that funding. One of my roles in the last few years has been as the co-director of a university centre called Climate Futures. This is a multidisciplinary centre with members right across all of the faculties. We supervise a broad range of climate-related research projects. So I really see my role these days, and it's a lot more satisfying really, in mentoring people and facilitating a much broader effort.